Okay, so I just finished working on a set of 5 driver pins for my next challenge lock. Everything's a little messy with brass dust, but let me see if I can show you them. These here are just standard key pins that have nothing to do with this project, but let's take a look at these things that I've fashioned. Come on, focus. Okay, so there's one. It's kind of like a barbell. Oh, and come here, you little thing. Here's 2. Come on, focus. Work with me here. It's kind of like double spool or deep serrated, I don't know. That's the second one. Now we got a kind of mushroomy spool. And we got a more like a standard serrated, but you know, homemade. And then we got this nasty deep spool. Look at that. It's like a barbell, like, I don't know. I'm rambling. But yeah, those are the 5. They're probably going in my next challenge lock. Hesitant to say that because I don't want whoever gets it to know what's going to be in it. But yeah, I plan to put those in it. So hopefully it turns out really well.